Welcome everyone. There's opportunity to buy around the support and sell around the resistance. That's the name of the game. We hunt around the support with institution and sell before the short seller will come in to short the stocks. We have Uber went down or have a nice jump near the support. We have many stocks went down because bad earning from the Q1, and right now it's jumping again because it's visiting price value. So let's get right to it and see the other stock that will have a momentum jumping again. One of them is IMPP. Right now it's jumping 12% up, and guess what? It's visiting the $1.10. This is the turning point, as we said, for IMPP. About in the 26th of April last month, we talked about this price visit around the 0.85, then gravitating and accumulating, then testing the $1 again, and that's what happened today. The price went around the $1.05, near the $1.10 after we accumulated above the 0.85. This ascending line, the moment that we break it, we're gonna see explosion. That's what happened. 12%, almost even 15% when the market opened, and right now we have just one resistance left for IMPP to confirm the price continuation. First step for bullish momentum to test the other resistance will be, for my opinion, around the $1.42 after we break the $1.10. As we said, the bottom was around the 0.85. Apple is jumping pretty nice. You know why? As we said, even in our Patreon, we said every time Apple visits this ascending line, we see a buying pressure. You see here around the 2020 September, and here around the March 21, and again nearing around this level around October, then again 14th of March, and this level around the 26th of April, and every time we see buying pressure and the price go up. So really interesting for Apple right now to see the price test around the 170. For my opinion, here would be a turning point. If we overcome it, we're gonna see all-time high for Apple. If we didn't, will be a really interesting to see the retest again around the $1.58. Any price still holding this level is really bullish for Apple. And again, you could have opportunity to win free share of Apple exclusive. With my link in comment section below, you have almost 60 hours to get this free share of Apple. And again, not just Apple, you can win other 5 free stock. And when you open an account, is really fast. Around a few minutes, you get $3. And of course, is zero commission for US resident trading US stock. So join the link in comment section below and get the opportunity to have free share of Apple. Next up, we have Endo, and as well, Endo still holding above our execution average. Perfect bounce from this level around 14th of April, and the second one around 3rd of May, and the price jump up, but still not overcoming the 22.23. This is the most important level to overcome for Endo. So right now, if we still continue to hold above this execution average, this will be like pre-signaling for massive buying pressure will happen again the moment that we overcome the 22.23. Next up, if we go back here, we have this stock CRXT, which is pharmaceutical stock. We jumped lately 2 times, once almost 200 and 300%. You know why? Because we have some drug approval, some new drug been approved by FDA. That's why the price went up. Right now we have some news again for another drugs in phase 4 and almost and FDA approval. That's why the price is jumping right now around the 12% and holding above the 0.74. For my opinion, if we hold above the 0.74, we're gonna see the price jump again around the $1.18, then continue to test around the $2. So this will be a really interesting play if we overcome or hold above the 0.74. For Nvidia is still struggling around the 200 mark. If we overcome the 200 mark, we're gonna see the price for Nvidia test around the 230. Otherwise, we're gonna have the price consolidate again around the strongest support. Will give us a signal for if Nvidia will continue to go down or not. Because if we broke this level of support for Nvidia, I will be ready around the 160 and the 138, but the 160 will be visited first, and we're gonna see a massive buying pressure. So I'll be ready to buy around this level of support for Nvidia. So be ready as well for Nvidia. Let me go to the other list where we have CEI. Just very quick, because we got a lot of requests from you guys. It's still holding and still accumulating above the 0.70. This is good news. Yeah, it's boring because a lot of people need volatility, need to make money. However, right now, as we said, it's anticipation mode for CEI before the 10K. That's why the price is still holding. Whatever the price holding here, and we get then the news for the 10K, this will be a massive price jump above the $1. We're gonna see even a gap above the $1. And the other one, let me just go to PBIG. PBIG is still holding above the $2.20. Perfect bounce, as we said before. Still the resistance here around our exponential average, and we wait for the third rejection or explosion. Here will mark the reversal and the squeeze area around the $3.80 to see the $5 for PBIG. ATER, fortunately, we didn't overcome the $5.80. As we said, you see, we need a confirmation. If we go to Lux Algo Premium, a trend projection, okay, trend projection, and see what's going on. Yeah, as you can see, the red here, short control, and here big blue area is where the bullish trend will explode. As you can look here, is the starting perfectly near our resistance, the $3.80. So this will be the mark for explosion. However, we didn't have this confirmation. And again, you see the price that went down and didn't hold this ascending line, the first signal of weakness for ATER. Right now, we might see a double bottom for ATER again around the $3.90 to see accumulation before the price retest around the $5.80. And again, this should be the last bottom in order to confirm we don't have a sell off for ATER. Hopefully that was clear, and if you have any question, let me know in comment section below. Today is Wednesday. Around Friday 8 p.m. Paris time, we're gonna do live streaming. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next update.